Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I might just show you what I do in a day. Now, the only thing about that, I don't think I've ever had a day that is the same. Every day is almost like different. Fridays, the only thing that I do every Friday is, though I'm a full-time artist, Friday mornings I do my part-time job where I'm a bookkeeper. So this morning I spent my time being a bookkeeper, and then I spent an hour on my website just updating things and checking things that were in the place that they're meant to be. I don't know about you, the thing about being an artist is that we have to do different jobs, and we do jobs like become a website designer, and I find that things that I've done, like links that I've linked up, sometimes seem to break. So I do like to go back into my website on a regular basis to check that everything. So I also have a habit of forgetting to upload my prints that are for sale and things like that. So I do try and make sure that I put some time to the side to just look at those sort of things, and that I haven't forgotten, my new range. But it happens. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to finish off a commission, which is of this tiny little spider. So I've just got to put in the last few details on him. I've been working this week on a Skelly piece. It's an Easter piece. I haven't named it yet, but I'm hoping to also finish him. But if anyone's got any ideas for names for that piece, I'd love to hear them. I've also got another commission piece that I've got to. Actually, I've just noticed I haven't signed this one. That's see, another thing I forget to do. So this is little Milo. He was actually going to be packaged up today. I need to print off a certificate of authenticity for him, something that I like to send out, and the same for this piece over here, which is my Valentine. He's lovely. He's lovely, but I have sold him, and he will need a certificate of authenticity, and I drop him off next week. So hopefully I'll get that done. They're the jobs that I desperately want to get done this afternoon. If I have time, I would like to finish off a Jean Pritchard tutorial where we're painting a lion. I'll share that with you in a minute. Actually, I'll share that with you now. I don't know if you can see that. And the other thing that I've got to do is I've got to do a stock take. I collected all my items from the gallery. I'll show you them now, actually. So I collected these all last week, and I've actually only just got them out of my car, but I've got the stock that wasn't sold and the paintings that weren't sold back from the gallery. They were only in the gallery for 10 days, so I never expected to sell all of them anyway, and I need to find homes for them. I find that if I painted, I don't want to put these in storage, I put them up and hang them up around my house, so we'll be doing that later as well. And I think that's about it, though I would love to get on top of tidying up my art studio. This seems to be an ongoing thing that, I make it messy, and we just need to continuously want to tidy it up. I got to finish Opal, the little jumping spider, and I'm just signing my name. Now, I normally forget to sign my name. I'm noticing from this video, I keep saying I forget to do this and I forget to do that. I think it's a case of trying to remind myself that I need to do these things. I also got to finish the Easter Skelly. I still haven't got a name, and I would love any sort of ideas, so please put it in the comment below. Much appreciated. Then I got on with packing Milo. I was very fortunate to have a day where I just seemed to be finishing things off. I've loved days like this. I like to create unique certificates of authenticity for all of my oil paintings. I take a photograph of the finished painting and turn that into part of the certificate of authenticity. As soon as I saw this vase, I knew it would be perfect for my pens, the ones that I use to sign my certificate of authenticity. I actually discovered it through a fellow YouTuber, Our Forever Utopia. Not only does she create amazing artwork, but her videos are fantastic too. Definitely check out her channel. I'll put a link in the description below. When packing oil paintings, I make sure to use material that provides great protection, but I'm also a big fan of recycling. That's why I reuse packaging wherever possible. We all have to do our part to help the planet. I always pack my artwork to withstand the postal journey. My rule: if I think a toddler can jump on it or throw it across the room, it will still be fine. Then I know it's ready to go. So 2 questions. Are you like me? Do you have a wall of doom? I'm hoping to actually probably buy some new furniture this year. I would love some Alice dressers, you know, where they've got the big drawers so you can put the prints in. And I want something to replace this where at the moment it's a little bit of a dumping ground. Normally I have the door open and that gets hidden and I don't really see it very often until I close the door when I do recording, and it's just like, yeah, the wall of doom. I don't also, another thing, I don't know if it's just me, but I find January and February my least productive months. I don't know whether it's because it's dark outside and it's all a bit gloomy. I've got a couple of dogs which I walk every day and it's just through mud. I find that I do less work over these 2 months than I do for the rest of the year. I'm quite happily will paint into the evening when it's light outside. But at the moment, come 4 or 5 o'clock in the evening, I just seem to want to snuggle down and watch telly, which is, you know, not very productive at all. So to try and change that funk, I have started a couple of bee paintings, which I share with you. But I also want to show you this setup if I can. So there are things I've just pointed out that I don't like in my studio, but there is something that I love in my studio. In a minute, I'll take a step back and film the entire wall. But I've got a French cleat up on this wall, which is absolutely amazing. So it's a great way for me to like store canvases, ones I'm about to work on, like this, where I've already prepped it, but also for when things are drying. Literally just add like a little wooden cleat to the back of this one, and then it's up and out of the way. So yeah, definitely one of the things that I love the most. Let me show you what it looks like fully. What I'll do is also I will try and take a little recording of this at night time, because as you can see I put some little lights underneath the French pleat, and it doesn't half look nice at night time. It's quite cosy in here. I also, as you can see, I've used the pleats to hang my oil paints in. I make it a point to get outdoors every day. When you run a small business, it's easy to get caught up in work and forget to take a break. One of my favourite places to unwind is the woods, and with Luna by my side, of course. She's an absolute delight. Then it was back to work. I managed to finish stringing Halloween, but time ran out for me to get the stock check done, unfortunately, and so that will have to wait until tomorrow. I hope you have enjoyed this glimpse into my chaotic day. Being a full-time artist is a dream come true, but it definitely takes a lot of hard work, and it isn't all about painting, unfortunately. If you have any questions that you would like me to answer in future videos, drop them in the comments. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Happy creating. Bye.